All right, we got an ambulance here on the coast. Got some weather brewing in. And this looks like a search and rescue chopper here. Just wanted to bring this to your attention on the coast. We're in Gulfport, Mississippi right here near the Biloxi line. Here's one of the newest additions right here, the water slide and all of that at this hotel. Bring the kids out, let them have a good time. Lots to do here on the coast in Gulfport, Biloxi area. Waveland, all these other places along the coast. Thank you all so much.